socks, coolest socks in the game. And we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios because I just flew the Airbus, and now I want to go to Hollywood Studios to fly the Millennium Falcon. So that's what we're gonna do today, right? Yep. So I'm gonna do the quick change, costume change, kind of. It's as well as you can in a car.
It's the Superman phone booth change.
Hollywood Studios, on our way. Only things you can do based in Orlando, living in Orlando.
Wouldn't change it for the world.
Yes. Okay, here we are at Hollywood Studios. And yeah, so I'm going to go here to ride the Millennium Falcon. We're going to pilot that so I can pilot 2 aircrafts in one day. And this is how you do that. So, yes, how-to video, I think. That could be the title of this. How to fly 2 aircrafts in one day. And also I'm using this little mic thing, so hopefully you can hear me better, or maybe it sounds worse. I'll try and keep it a good distance so it actually works. She has one too.
Can you hear me over here, guys?
Yeah, maybe you can. I don't know. We'll see. Goofy over there, waving at everybody. Entering to go to Galaxy's Edge and here at Hollywood Studios to go to Smuggler's Run. This is the tunnel you have to take to walk through. Alright, still walking to the ride, but now we're going through the marketplace. She's hot. She decided to wear a t-shirt and she thought she was cute, but she's realizing it's too much. It is cute, but
I don't like
she's hot. Yeah, so this is the marketplace where you would go to get all the different Star Wars stuff. It's pretty cool. And this place right here is where you go to get a Ronto wrap, which is probably the best snack or meal, depending on who you are, in Hollywood Studios. If you know, you know. The Ronto wraps. Can't beat them. And we're walking this way because Millennium Falcon is right here. So walking that way to go on the ride. The Millennium Falcon right here. Ray and Chewbacca over there. And yeah, that's the route we're going into. Only a 15-minute wait, so shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully we can be the pilots. That's the whole purpose of this, is so we can be the pilots. So hopefully you can special request that. Okay. MQ, one of the best animatronics.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate.
And like that, we are on the Millennium Falcon.
My friend up there.
Yes. Wow. Just like this. Flying the Millennium Falcon. So, Airbus to Millennium Falcon.
Right engineer, repair next. It's your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get right in the concept. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Like an Airbus.
Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are on right. Left pilot. Okay. Correct job. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
That's you.
Might be a little bit better.
You've got one! Excellent, my friends! The power of the ship! Power back! Gravity, go taxi up! Just as I
Very good. Good job.
That's good.
That
That was some good shooting right there.
See, looks just like the Airbus, right?
Yeah.
Same exact thing. Oh, does it see this damage? This is all from her.
I went a little bit too far right when I should have been going left, and
She doesn't know her rights from lefts.
I don't know why they put me on that side.
And that's all I wanted to do today. So my day's done. Now we're going to take the Skyliner to Epcot for what she wants to do. So that's it. Flew 2 aircrafts today, and that's my goal for the day. And so now everything else is just in addition to. All right, we're walking out, but over here by Indiana Jones, there's a sign over here that says, warning, do pull rope. And so if you grab it and pull,
don't pull the rope. You don't want to break. Oh dear.
yeah. So he has like little different sayings. You pull it, do it one more time.
I say, stop mucking about up there.
And just like that, we've left Hollywood Studios and we are at Epcot. And we are here to go straight to
The countries probably because Food and Wine just started and it goes until November.
But before the countries, Spaceship Earth. The best ride at Epcot. Hands down. And it smells, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the scene I'm talking about. And yes, we're listening to this ride in German. We're listening to it in German because you can't see her, Rebecca, right there. She put German on as the language to listen to this ride. But yeah, when I said the best smell, if you know, you know. This is the scene over here. Right here. This is my go-to smell right here for this ride. Happy place. There's Rome burning. I've been on this ride a couple times. It's kind of fun to pick a new language, especially if you know what they're saying. This guy who's reading the newspaper, he's technically reading it upside down if we're looking at right side up.
Ihrem Geschmack und Ihren Terminen entsprechen. Sehr gut. Ihr intelligentes Zuhause organisiert Ihnen den Start in den Tag. Und verbindet und holen Sie sich die Welt ins Haus. Denn Ihr persönliches Informationsnetzwerk zeigt Ihnen Ihre aktuellen Termine. Und da Sie nicht gerne
I don't know what they're saying. We're after at the ride, and we're gonna do this scan, which we always walk by, but we never actually do it. But
You go too fast. What the heck?
Aha!
Greetings from India, students. Whoops. What? Gently, please. Ah, there you are. I'm Dr. Bones, your virtual
We're still in here. We're just doing all the random stuff in here now. Because she's never actually done any of this stuff.
Or the orange robotic
Yeah, it's not busy at all. It's really empty in here. So it's time to do little
to
things.
control your manipulator.
Cheesesteak, mac and cheese,
So good.
amazing.
So good.
We're in this little connections place. Has food over here on this side and merch, but we came here for this. 10 out of 10.
It is.
What do we got?
Coconut banana cream pie latte.
She's going through the list of everything that's here at Food and Wine.
Oh, that's gonna be
And,
so yummy.
First place on the list is here at Mexico, which I don't even know if it's gonna be food. It might just be the ride here at Mexico, but
Yeah, we're just going here for the ride.
she's leading the way and I'm just following. Okay, inside of Mexico now, headed to Grand Fiesta Tour, the boat ride in Mexico. This is the ride we're talking about. She's still reading her book, getting all that crucial information. I'm actually just enjoying the ride. All right, next up over here by China, India. Getting the mango lassi, which I'll show you when we actually get it. They're making it right now. Thank you. These mango lassi.
I had to sip it. Wait, you choosing me or what?
Next stop in Japan. Got to get the teriyaki bao bun.
It's so yummy.
We've had this before last year, but it was so good. You gotta get it twice. Japan, working our way around. There's the Epcot ball. Okay, and that wraps it up for us here at Epcot. We're about to head home now. Let's get this one shot of the flag at half mast because it is 9/11 today. So half mast. It's a nice shot. Just getting capturing it as well, but appreciate you guys watching. And I'll make sure to post something when I fly next time, but appreciate it.